So hey guys, welcome to the second update on our AI content age domain case study. So in this update, I will be sharing everything I have done so far and also my next plan, right? Let me just briefly explain whatever I have done so far. So this is going to be like a quick update. I don't want to stretch this video so much, right? So what's the progress so far? So I have done the speed optimization with the help of my developer. So currently I'm using cloud-based hosting and WP Rocket plugin. So you can see, so the loading times are really good. So it's giving 100 score in both mobile and desktop, right? And yeah, we are using the cloud-based hosting and the WP Rocket plugin. Okay. Now the next thing we have done is the different domain address versions. They are redirected to the primary version, a single 3-zone redirect. Now what is this is whenever you use an agent domain. So for example, like this. So when you use an agent domain, so there are different address versions. For example, HTTP with www, HTTPS with www, HTTP with non-www, and HTTPS with non-www, right? So you can see they are redirecting to one single version, right, which is HTTPS and non-www. But you can see it is showing two redirects here, right? So in this case, so this URL is first redirecting to the SSL version, which is HTTPS www, and then it is redirecting to HTTPS non-www. Now what happens here is there's a loss of link juice, so we have to be very careful when we use an agent domain here. So we have to just make sure that our URLs look like this. So this is our unibrooks.com. So I have done the fix here. So you can see there's no redirect more than once, right? So how I did it, basically you can do it via Cloudflare, right? But you need to ask your hosting provider to turn off any inbuilt HTTPS redirect, right? So it's kind of a forced redirect, right? And I will show you my settings in the Cloudflare, so you can see these are my settings, and this is under the page rules. So let me show you in the settings. So my domain, which is HTTP and non-www, it is redirecting to the HTTPS and non-www. So we selected this always use HTTPS. And the second rule, this one, oops, wait. Yeah, so we are redirecting the HTTP www version to the HTTPS and non-www version, right? So we did this here, right? So because of this, our all URLs are redirecting to HTTPS non-www version of the unibrooks.com, right? So this is very important thing, and make sure to do it whenever you buy an age domain and set up your website. But if you need any help, you can just message me and I will get my developer to set up this for you. It takes hardly 2 minutes, right? So yeah, okay, so the next thing, and yeah, you can use this website httpstatus.io to check that, right? Now I didn't require to, the third thing is I didn't require to recover or redirect old pages, because most links were pointing to the home page, right? Now okay, so you can see most links are pointing to the home page. Now there are some pages which have the backlinks. So I just if I just open these pages, wait, let me just show you. So you can see this is a page coming from DR70 site, but this is a no follow link, and sorry, yeah, this is kind of a auto-generated link. This is totally useless, right? Then there are more links here. This is coming from Blogspot and just DR2, but this is do follow. So I just ignored these links, right? So same here. I think these are auto-generated or something. Yeah, these are not really good links, right? So I just ignored all. So all the pages are like this. So I just ignored all these pages. So I didn't require to do any recovery or the redirection of the old pages, and this made the process very easy for me, right? So yeah, so this is how I did for the old pages recovery. Now yeah, so I set up the website. I created a fake about page. Let me show you. So this is the about page, right? So there are some fake authors and editors and everything. And what I did here is I also added contact email and also the address and all of those things, right? So it will just help a little bit with EAT, right? Okay, the next thing, I picked the bass guitar as the category because the domain is in music and it was in the guitar actually. But guitar itself is a very big category, so I decided to go with bass guitar, which is like very specific to build the topical authority. Now so far I have published like 11 articles, so you can see here I have published 11 articles. You can even check the website. And I'm using agilitywriter.ai for creating AI content, right? So this is the agility writer and it's quite good. So I just went into the advanced mode. I just typed my keyword here. I selected the US region. I selected the four number of headings as 4. Article structure is advanced, audience, beginners in bass guitar, right? And tone of voice is Tone of voice is conversational, first person, expert on subject matter, and keywords focused. So basically, I just put everything what came into my mind, right? Yeah. So it's just like a kind of testing, right? So once it's all done, you just have to first click on the create outline. It will show the outline. I didn't do any edits in the outline, and then you just have to click on add to writing queue, and you will see in the history and all the articles you will see here, right? And you can just click on any article and copy paste it and publish on your website, right? So this is like very easy tool, right? So I started getting some impression in Google Search Console. Let me show you. So this is for the yesterday, right? So there were not clicks, but the site has already started indexing. So bass setup guide, 4-string bass guitar notes, how long does it take to learn the bass guitar, right? So the site is already started indexing. And wait, let me show you. Okay, so there are some pages which have already started indexing, and you can see all of this. And this is quite a good signal, right? Because I'm thinking like this site is going to blow up once we publish a lot of articles. So I was quite busy past few days, so I couldn't give any updates earlier, right? But yeah, we are going to publish a lot of articles now. All right, so yeah, this is the update so far, right? And what is the next plan? So I need to work on the topical map for the bass guitar, right? And make a list of at least 200 plus topics. Now I'm using Keyword Chef here with some manual process because I want to check each topic one by one, so make sure like there's no duplicate topic with the same search intent. And there are like I imported around like 9,000 keywords related to bass guitar into the Keyword Chef, and you can see like this is my report. Like that's a huge list, and my screen is hanging and I'm not able to just do the sorting, right? But yeah, I will do it in a few days. But like this is like a huge list, right? So I just need to go through it, right? All right, then I need to add the internal links, right? Because I'm thinking to publish some like articles, like 50 articles or so, then I do the proper internal linking. So I will be adding like 5 to 8 internal links, and the internal linkings will be like with proper context. So it's not like I will be just putting the random internal links, right? So yeah. And there's one rank math issue I'm facing right now. So we have like 11 articles published, but in the rank math post sitemap, it's showing only 9. It's showing actually 8 URLs excluding the homepage. So I don't know, but I think I need to fix this one. So in the next update, I will make sure to fix this. Okay. All right. Now the next plan is like publish 100 plus articles, right? So this is going to be like really aggressive, right? I want to see like how it's going to turn out, and maybe I will publish more articles. I just delegated this to all my team, so I don't need to work on it now, right? And let's see how it's going to work, because we are building a topical map here in bass guitar, and I'm really excited to see how it's going to work out. And in the case if it works out, then like it will help a lot it will help a lot for the beginners to build a website and establish some cash flow to invest in the long-term websites, right? So this is going to be like really good, and we can, if this works out, then I can just start some more case studies on like some churn and burn projects to make easy money, right? And then just some more interesting case studies, right? Because with AI content, the things will get like really easy, right? But don't expect this to be working for the long term. So that's not what I'm saying. Okay. All right. So this is the entire update. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I will be happy to answer. If you have any suggestions for me to apply in this case study, just let me know and I will be glad to apply that. And yeah, there's just one announcement. I'm actually coming up with an amazing tool. So that tool will allow you to check the different SEO metrics and domain age, how many times the domain was dropped, a different kind of SEO metrics, if the domain is indexed or not. So this is kind of a like really cool tool, and this is totally free. you don't have to pay for it, right? So this is just a way to give back to the community, right? And I'm coming up with some more awesome tools and programs. This is especially for the beginners who can't afford expensive tools. So this is going to help you a lot, right? Okay, this is enough for this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I will be happy to help you. Okay, so tada for now. Thank you so much.